Precision refined. Efficiency elevated. LX-K35 laser tube cutting machine. Side-mounted machine bed with robust and stable load-bearing structure. Semi-automatic loading for time-saving and efficient operation. Supporting tube diameters from 40 to 350 millimeters, loading lengths from 5.5 to 12 meters, with a maximum single tube load capacity of 1,300 kilograms. High efficiency, stable cutting with superior precision, saving time and labor. Servo following support system enabling continuous material support during cutting, prevents tube sagging and deformation, ensuring cutting accuracy and high-quality cut edges. Zero-tail material cutting maximizes material utilization and effectively reduces production consumable costs. Compatible with various profiles, delivering robust and well-rounded performance. Suitable for large-scale production across multiple industries. It establishes long-term advantages for tube processing and manufacturing.